Welcome everyone and thanks for joining me today. In this lesson we're drawing the Green Ranger from Power Rangers. So let's start in the center page. We'll start with a point in the center of the visor. Now from here we want to curve this up and then out towards the left. So bend this up, go across and then down. Go back to the center and do the same thing on the right. Going up and then down. Let's draw the bottom of the visor. Starting back on the left, come down towards the bottom. That's going to bend this up in towards the center. Do the same thing on the right. Coming down towards the same height, go across, and then up. Now I want to draw in the lower half of the head. Starting from the left side of the visor, we're going to come down like a half circle, round up the chin, go across, and then bend that up. Let's add a trim across the bottom. Starting on the left side, taper this down, and then up. Go to the inside of the right, coming down, and then up. Let's add that pattern inside. So we're going to start from the outside, angle this up and in, the left and right. Now we're going to add a point. Come straight down, go up and in, come down. Now we're going to add one more point, going up and then down towards the inside. Let's draw the opening for the mouth in this area. Starting from the left, curve this up and then down. Go back to the left side. Goes down just above the chin and then bend that back up. Now inside we're going to draw in the mouth. Starting from the left, go up and down. On the ends we're going to add a bracket going around the corners of the mouth. And then along the bottom in the center, draw a straight line across the lip. Now I'm going to work our way across the top of the head. Starting from the left side, we're going to go up and then bend that in. The same thing on the right toward the same height. Now from here, bend this across, and we'll bend that down. Let's add a point, coming down and in towards the middle. And then we're going to step up and draw two short angle lines for the nostrils. Let's tuck the eyes in underneath. Starting from the outside corner, goes down, and then up. Do the same thing on the right. Now from the top of the eye, we're going to bend this up and then in. We'll round up the brow. And then from here, all that curve coming in and then down toward the center. Do the exact same thing on the right. And we'll add a diamond in the center, going up and then down. Now from that center point, we're going to draw a straight line going all the way up toward the top point of the head. Angle this down and out toward the left and right side. I'm just going to pull this down and then in toward the center. Now from the top corner of the brow, I'm just going to curve the head going up and then in toward that outside point. Let's add a glare going across the side of the visor, starting from the top left, and it's down, and then in towards the bottom. And I'm just going to line that up on the right side. And then we're going to switch to my thick black marker. We're going to fill the center of the visor, going all the way across from left to right. We're also going to fill the eyes of the helmet in black. Let's add another trim across the top of the eyes. We're going to start on the left, angle this up and out. The same thing on the right. And you want to follow that curve, going across and then out toward the side. Let's add that pattern inside. Starting from the top right corner, angle this down, go up, and we're going to add one more point, coming down and then up towards the outside. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the body. We're going to start with the collar on the left, bend this down, and then up. Now I'm going to add a diamond in the center of the body. Starting from the middle of the collar, come down and out toward the left, and then the right, come down and in towards the center of the body. Now I want to trace this shape along the inside, just leaving a thin trim. Now we're going to go back up underneath the jaw, draw a straight line going across the shoulders, line it up on the right with that same length line. Now from here, we're going to curve this down and then in towards that outside point of that diamond. We're going to add some texture inside the shoulders with 3 curves. From the top corner, let's step in. Coming down, just follow that curve, coming in. I'm just going to line it up on the right side. Let's do that again. Stepping in, draw another curve. Now we're going to do that one more time, coming in around the collar. Now I want to tuck the body in underneath. So from this point, we're going to step over, curve the body going out and then down toward the hip on the left and then the right. Let's connect the hips with a curve, coming down and then up. Step up, draw another curve across the top of the belt. Now we're going to leave a gap in the center, draw 2 lines, one coming down on the left and then one on the right. Let's add a small oval in the center for the buckle. And then we're going to fill the outsides in black, going around that oval. From the buckle, let's step down. We're going to add a curve going up and then down. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and down toward the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and then down towards the right heel. Now I want to round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left side, goes down and then up. Let's go back over towards the left side. We're going to curve the foot, going up. I want to bend this down, aiming towards the heel, leaving a gap on the inside. And then we're going to go back up to the hips, curve the leg, going out and then down on top of the feet. Let's add a thick sole across the bottom. So we take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. Now, halfway across the leg, we're going to add a seam, coming down and then up. The same thing on the right. And I want to trace that just underneath to create a trim. Let's add those points across the bottom. Starting from the outside, angles up, straight down, up and in, and then come down and in towards the inside leg. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. At that point, and then come down. Let's add that pouch on the right hip, going out, down, and then back in. Now we're going to go up underneath the shoulders and draw on the arms. Let's start from the top of the body, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. Do the same thing on the right. From the wrist, draw a half circle for the thumb, and then close off the end with a bracket. Now we're going to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb. We're going to come around that bracket and then up, step down, bend the second finger, and then the third finger, bend the arm going up and then in underneath the shoulders. From the wrist, we're going to step up, add a curve, going up and then out. And just like we did with the boots, we're just going to trace this just underneath to create a trim. From the outside of the cuff, we're going to add 2 points, starting from the left, coming down and then up. Let's add another one. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw the Green Ranger from the Power Rangers. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you want to improve your drawing skills, I invite you to check out our sketch club on School. You can get a free 7-day trial to all our courses and workshops. I'll leave the link in the description below. I want to thank you for joining me today. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.